In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a meeting agenda using Copilot in Teams or Outlook. This is an incredibly handy feature that streamlines your meeting preparations, making it easier than ever to ensure everyone is on the same page before the meeting begins. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll first want to open either Teams or Outlook with Copilot enabled. If you haven't used Copilot before, it's essentially an integrated tool that assists with a variety of tasks, making them quicker and more intuitive. By using AI, it helps you focus on more important things instead of getting bogged down with tedious details. Once you have Teams or Outlook open, the next thing you'll want to do is request Copilot to create a meeting agenda based on your objectives. Simply input the specific goals you have for this meeting. Copilot is designed to take those objectives and generate a comprehensive agenda tailored to meet your needs. It will include relevant topics and organize them logically, considering the timeline and the priorities of your meeting. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that no critical points are overlooked, facilitating a more productive session. Now that you have your draft agenda, it's crucial to review and edit it. This is your opportunity to personalize the agenda to better fit your meeting's unique context. As always, while AI tools are incredibly powerful, they benefit greatly from the human touch. Go through the generated agenda and check if everything aligns with your expectations. Ensure all critical issues are on the list and arranged in the necessary order. If there are points you want to refine or details to add, this is the time to do so. Remember, a clear and structured agenda is key to a successful meeting, so take the time to make any changes required. Once you're happy with the final version of the agenda, the next step is to share it with all the meeting participants. Sending out the agenda ahead of time is crucial because it provides attendees with the opportunity to prepare adequately. This transparency also allows them to add any points they feel are important to discuss. Sharing the agenda can be easily done directly through Teams or Outlook, ensuring everyone has access to the information they need on the platforms they are already engaged with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to use Copilot to create a meeting agenda efficiently, giving you more time to focus on hosting a successful meeting. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.